Okay, so this is my machine. I'm going to put in the 4.5 cartridge. So to start with, I'm going to go through the guide. As you can see, it's got all the guide, whichever area you want to do, the face. So we're going to the face first. You press that, press enter, and there you go. It shows the cartridge that I'm using up at the top here. It says how many shots I've got left on there. At the moment, that is the parameters of the shots. There's 11. And when I press the button, it just literally goes right the way through it. That's the power setting. You can adjust that up and down how you want. Also, you can adjust the width. So if you want that wider, as you can see, the tighter the lines go. And the pitch, how the depth of it, how you want it. There you go. You can go up here. That's this. The width of the lines that you want to make. That's the length, which is also on the cartridge here. That's the width, and that's the area that you cover on the face. So you're going to go here, which is the width, and this is the length, I would say. So this is your clearance. And it also adjusts there, and then obviously the width you can go up and down, as you can see. Okay, so this ascertains 2 areas on the face. You wouldn't use this cartridge on all areas of the face, mainly just the cheek area. This is the back area where you get your love handles. That can also be treated. You wouldn't treat it with this size cartridge. You would use, if you were treating this area, you would be using a 6mm, 6 to 8, 10. It would be that size. It all depends what you're dealing with here, to what cartridge. And once again, you can adjust everything here as well. Chest area here, where a lot of us ladies deal with, it's called the collagen area. Once again, it can get a little bit, it's all for skin tightening really, this area, the chest area. And for the chest area, you can use a 4.5, you could use 4.5. You wouldn't really want, because it's quite a bony area, so I would say probably 6mm, 4.5, 6mm, even up to 10mm you could use here. All depends what you're dealing with once again. And then you've got the back of the neck, where sometimes you get it's a little bit fatty. The stomach area, you'll get a lot of ladies that have been on a diet and they would want their skin tightening up there. The buttocks, making it firmer. Once again, the leg area, especially on top of the knees where we've got a little bit of a chunky fatty area, you can get rid of all that, and also the calves, and a lot for the back wings. A lot of ladies will come to you for that. Okay, and if you go into the professional, once again, this is more for advanced users, and you can really, here on the dashboard, you can save settings. So if you set that up for a particular setting, you could then save it. So in setting 1, it's already set up for one line. One line is very handy to use, especially when you're doing the eye area. You don't really want it to be multiple. It's much better if it's more controlled. You know it's running just one line, and it deals with this under eye, where the back, directly under the eye I'm talking about. You're more controlled, you know exactly what it's doing. And then if you go into 2, once again, it's for more controlled shots. So you know, probably on the forehead you'd probably use this one. And then once again, you know, these are just set up for various areas of normally the face. And there we have it, that's the machine. I will be doing a procedure today, which I will be filming and showing you the parameters and cartridge use throughout.